Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your Cadillac ATS. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on, but the engine is not running. This allows you to access the necessary menus. Next, locate the controls on your steering wheel. You'll use these buttons to navigate through the vehicle's information display. Find the oil life option in the menu to begin the reset process. It's a straightforward procedure once you know where to look. Once you've found the oil life menu, select it using the appropriate steering wheel button. Then, press and hold the SET/CLR button. The display will prompt you with a question, asking if you are certain you wish to reset the oil life. To confirm your decision and complete the reset, simply press the SET/CLR button one more time. This action will finalize the process, setting your oil life back to 100%. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It truly supports the channel. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description box below. Now, let's get back to the video. After confirming the reset, your vehicle's information display should now clearly show that the oil life is at 100%. This indicates a successful reset. To ensure the new setting is saved, turn off your vehicle's ignition completely. This step is crucial for the system to register the change permanently. Congratulations! The oil life reset procedure is now fully complete, and your Cadillac ATS is ready for its next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.